Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Google Chrome web browser's search engine is changing to the Bing search engine and how to change it back to Google or a different search engine, whatever your preference may be. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome web browser and then go up and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select search engine. And then underneath search engine used in the address bar. Click on the drop down here and then select Google or a different search engine of your choosing. And if you want to remove Bing down the road, just don't want to even have the option to search with Bing, which you can always add back in later, but let's just say you want to remove it. Just go ahead and select Manage Search Engines and Site Search, and then you can select the three-dot icon next to the corresponding Bing entry in here and select Delete. So again, pretty straightforward process. Don't really have to do that, but I definitely would suggest the first step here, which is just clicking the drop-down arrow and then selecting Google. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.